It's still Wednesday. How are how are you doing now? I guess we are always making any vlog that could ever make our hearts feel better. And there's nothing I can say. There was known as we always could have thought. I never missed the girls that I ever met like before I ever love him. We do not make secrets that lovers try to hide. And so, what are you going to do to find that? Because this ain't enough. What you guys think about me? I'm selfish. I think it will be older. Will be older than that. What if you don't mind? You can also check this out.